What is up, guys? In today's video I will show you how to pin and mount and spread a cicada. First off, you will need a cicada, which can be freshly caught or found dead. I found this one dead when I was raking up the leaves. Next up, you're going to need stainless steel pins. Stainless steel pins are much more better than iron pins. Iron pins rust over time. I found out the hard way. I pinned a beautiful butterfly with this thing, and so what happened is that the pin rusted and damaged the butterfly. Yeah, that's why I prefer to use stainless steel. These will work just fine. Then next you're gonna need tracing paper or wax paper. Either one of them will do just fine. Then what you're gonna need is styrofoam. Styrofoam can also be great. It can also be good or foam. So I'm gonna show y'all how to turn this cicada into this. I found two. No, this one is much more pretty. I found it there. Alright. First up, you need a stainless steel and pin it through the thorax. As you can see, I already did. It should be on the right side of the thorax. Alright. Then what you want to do is lift up, and this is why I love cicadas to pin. You lift up the first wing, and with your thumb, the second wing, you want to like push them a little bit, not tight, because if you do it tight, you may break the specimen, the cicada I meant. And then with a little bit of patience, the wing can click on. Hold on, guys. Oops. Hold on. This takes practice and patience. Or we can do it my way and just pushing the wing up. And the wing must always be 90 degrees. So hold on, let me try again. Okay, let's hope it works. There we go. As you can see, this wing clips right on. So that means you don't have to do the first wing, the second wing. Alright, and when you spread the wing must always be right here. But first, I need to secure the cicada. You must use iron pins or other pins, however you like, and put 2 pins on the abdomen, so that way it doesn't rotate or turn. Okay, then as I told you, 90 degrees, like that. Secure it with wax or tracing paper and pin it around the specimen. Do not pin in it, because that's how you destroy it. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna pin it, and then I'll show you how it's gonna look like. You guys can take a look at how I rake the leaves, and I'll be right back. I won't be back. I'm just gonna pin the cicada. Sorry for the squeaking. And also, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. When you like my video, that lets me know that that you like those videos, and maybe in the future I'll make more of those. So if you want to start collecting insects and making my own insect collection, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, I'm all done. So basically, I want the cicada wings 90 degrees and pin around the wings. Do not pin in them, because you pin, you're gonna make holes in your cicada. And the other wing, do the same thing like I taught you. You have to, if you hear the click, don't worry, you did not break the wing. It happens. This one did not click, but it's still okay. Okay. Let me see if I can do it. There we go. It's much more perfect. Okay. And use tracing paper. 90 degrees. Remember the wing, guys? The wing has to be 90 degrees. Alright. Okay. Oops. Sorry, guys. If you guys want me to make more insect and spreading videos, let's get up to 5 likes and I'll make another one. How's that sound? I'm almost done, guys. Don't you worry. Alright, all done. And that is how you want your cicada to look like. Just like I said about the other wing, you want to pin around the wing, not in it, because you'll make holes in the wing and it will not look beautiful. The final step is to unpin it, is to reinsert these to form a cross. Hold on. Is to do this. Once you're good, it should form a cross, so that way the abdomen can rest on them. And that is how you paint a cicada. Hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And bye, I guess. Bye.